What's up, what's going on? My name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. So today I have a very special pumpkin recipe in store for you guys. We are making some super easy vegan chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. They are so wonderful. They are packed with pumpkin spice, super soft, really gooey and delicious, and they're just melt in your mouth good. So without further ado, let's begin. So we'll start by adding in softened coconut oil or vegan butter into a bowl along with some coconut sugar, some unsweetened applesauce, and some pumpkin puree. And then we'll use a hand mixer to cream the ingredients all together. Then we'll add in some baking soda along with some pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon and the flour. You can also use some gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour here. And we'll just fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until you get a thick and consistent dough. The dough should be slightly tacky but not stick to your hand sticky. And then we'll add in the chocolate chips and we'll fold them all together. If your dough is still a little bit sticky, you can chill it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Otherwise, we'll begin to scoop the dough onto our baking sheet. When baking these cookies, be careful not to overbake them as they can get sort of crispy on the outside and not as chewy and soft in the middle. I like to aim for about 7 to 9 minutes and these cookies are perfectly baked, but always make sure that you're checking the cookies in your own oven, as bake times will vary from oven to oven. These pumpkin cookies are super soft and chewy and just full of chocolate chips. They are the perfect fall dessert recipe that's ready in less than 15 minutes. It's a great activity to involve the kids in, or if you just want an easy fall baking recipe to make on the weekend. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed that recipe video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, one of these two, to be notified when the next video like this pops up. As always, you can find the full recipe on thebananadiaries.com. It is also linked down below in the description box and pinned in the comment section. I hope that you love them as much as I do. And I guess that's it. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Remember that you are an incredible human being. You deserve to be here, and I am always rooting for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.